To start with the beads, I'm going to crochet with blue. So we will start with magic ring, then I will crochet 6 single crochets inside the magic ring. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as usual we close it, and then for the second round I will increase all the stitches. So by the end of that round 2 I will have 12 single crochets, and don't forget to mark the first stitch. Then I will increase all the stitches and come back to you. Now I will increase every second one. So the first one will be normal, increase the second one, and repeat 6 times. So this is the first time, and I will mark it. Then I will complete the same thing with the all around. So first one will be single crochet, then the second one I will increase it. So I will finish it and come back to you. So by the end of this round I have now 18 stitches. I'm going 2 rounds with no increasing and come back to you. Here after the 2 rounds I will start now decreasing. So I will crochet 1, then decrease the second every second 2. So I will repeat this process 6 times. Of course we have to mark the first one. So the first one normal, and then decrease the second 2. Again 1, crochet 1, then decrease the second 2. I will finish this round and come back to you. After finishing this round I stuffed the bead. Then I will decrease now every 2, and this is the first 2, and I will mark it. Then this is the second 2, then I will finish it and come back to you. After finishing this round I finished, and I will cut the yarn. Then I will try to close it with a needle. I will now close it, and this is how we will close it. Then try to get the yarn from the other side and cut the extra. And now the bead finished, and here I already made another 10 because I need for this rosary 11 beads. So the same thing, the same process, I made it 11 times.